you a little smoker, a little thyme, you know, and it's just, and at that point it's just trial and error, you know, what you like and what you don't. But it's not a huge investment, not a ton of overhead. Now you guys got obviously.
Hey boys, what time did you guys get here this morning?
We got here about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
7:55, 8 o'clock. There was about 4 or 5 people, and then by 9 there's probably about 100 people.
Yeah, really nice. Well, it's wrapped around the block down here now already.
It's pretty amazing. You got a guy renting
it's hard
chairs
to wake up early in Austin.
Yeah, yeah. Well, this is nice and cool with the rain.
I'm still trying to figure out the business model.
Probably just brisket and sausage, yeah.
Sounds like brisket and sausage.
Alright, sounds good. For 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe like 3 pounds of brisket. That'll be plenty to go around. Maybe have a little left over.
Okay.
Yeah, good. 3 pounds of brisket and then sausage, like maybe a link per person or something. And then ribs, pulled pork and turkey if they're there.
Yeah.
Cool. It'll be your lucky day if they're there, but don't expect it. Okay.
Yeah,
sounds good. I'll also come around and let you know when we get finished.
All right, thanks.
Sure. We'll do about 1:30ish.
I was planning on that. I decided to do lattes then. But I had done lattes.
Gentlemen, we're here at Franklin in Austin on Sunday, and after a big rainstorm. Where are you guys from?
We're from Dallas, Texas, originally from Arkansas.
Originally from Arkansas. I'm sorry.
Right, down here for the Mumford & Sons concert.
Yeah.
Figured we'd check out the #1 rated spot in Texas.
You never been here before either?
First time.
All right. How about you, sir?
Looking forward to it. Can't wait. You know, this many people lined up around the block, they can't be wrong. Looking forward to it. The girl came and got, you know, she got pre-orders, if you will, and we said a little bit of everything. She said, I need you to be a little bit more specific than that. So we pre-ordered 2 pounds of brisket, 6 ribs, 3 sausage links, and a 1/4 pound of pulled pork. So if that doesn't get us where we need to go, then we're in trouble.
You feel comfortable in your line, position in line?
Yeah, I think we'll get to eat around 1:30, but they told us we will have food. So
And what time did y'all get here?
here about 9:15.
And eat about 1:30.
Yeah.
All right, well, boys, I hope y'all get what you want.
Can't wait.
Enjoy it.
shall.
Thanks.
This will be my big debut.
Ladies, we're here at Franklin Barbecue on Sunday after a rainstorm. And what time did y'all get here?
9 o'clock. I got here at 9.
9 o'clock.
Pushed me out of the truck in the dead of the middle of the storm.
Gave her the sunshade and said, stay dry.
It was a typhoon, it was not a storm.
So where y'all from?
Michigan.
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 LA.
All right.
Yeah, San Francisco.
And
How far back?
you been here before?
I have.
I have not.
We are Virgin Franklin.
Oh. Okay, well I am too. So, anything you're anticipating here?
Deliciousness.
the brisket. I hear the turkey is very moist.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to try everything, a little bit of everything,
All right.
and then plan for a nap later.
What time do they say you might be able to eat?
12:30 or 1?
12:30 or 1.
But we definitely will eat. So.
Yes. All right. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Michael Douglas here in Austin, Franklin Barbecue, and we're here on a Sunday after a big rainstorm. And where y'all guys from?
Here.
Austin. All right. All right. So this your first time?
No.
It's my third or second.
Second time.
I got a buddy that road tripped here from Virginia a couple days ago.
Yeah.
This is his first time, obviously.
Yeah. So what's your best thing? Your favorite here?
Brisket.
The brisket.
The
So
ribs.
good.
All right. Okay, we're here at Franklin and Austin on Sunday after a big rainstorm and cruising the line, seeing what's happening. So, gentlemen, where are you guys from?
These guys from Dallas. I'm from here in Austin.
You're from Austin? First timers, second timers?
First time.
First timer, so no experience here.
Nope.
What are you anticipating?
The best.
Yeah?
Best brisket.
You're going for the brisket? Here's the question, flat or the point?
I want both.
Question.
Yeah.
All the above.
All the above, yeah.
You guys toured any of the other famous joints around Texas yet?
A couple of them, yeah.
You been to Snow's?
I've not been to Snows.
Okay.
Been to Lockhart a couple times.
Lockhart a couple times. Well,
Let's see. You've been to the other one,
Pecan Lodge.
Pecan Lodge.
Dallas. Yeah,
I
it's good.
highly recommend that one.
Great place. I was there last weekend.
I'm looking forward to see if Franklin's brisket stands up to Pecan Lodge or Snow's.
This is your first time too?
Yeah, it's my first time to Franklin, but right now I got Snow's #1 brisket. Pecan Lodge right there with them.
Yeah, great.
We'll see how that plays out.
All right.
Gentlemen, you enjoy.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, lady, we're here at in Austin, Franklin Barbecue on Sunday after a rainstorm. Where are you guys from?
Austin.
Oh, you're from Austin. This is not Smithville. It's not your first time here, is it?
Not my first time.
All right.
First time. I'm a newbie.
You're a newbie. All right. Well, very good. So let's get to the person who's been here before.
Been here a lot.
All right. So what is the best thing here?
Brisket.
Brisket.
Without a doubt.
Is it better than Snow's in Lexington?
It's better than anybody's brisket. And you can see I've eaten a lot of brisket in my life.
Me too.
So
Me too.
It's the best brisket ever.
What's your favorite thing, ma'am?
It's also the brisket.
The brisket?
Yep, it is. And I don't like to wait in line, but I'll wait for this.
Flat or the point?
Oh,
Your preference, flat or the point?
Flatter the
Yeah, so do you like the lean side or you like the
I like
moist
the
side?
I like the flat. I like the moist.
The point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always go for the point. Very good. Sir, what about you? You haven't been here. What are you anticipating?
Well, that'll be very, very good. Going through a thunderstorm, rainstorm, and all these people are still here.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
All right. Y'all have a good time. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Frankie?
Yeah. Okay. Lately, that's the one
You good over there? Dean, you good? Stop shaking. Pure codeine. Yeah, and I don't even know codeine.
Well, that's what's funny because they stopped playing over the winter. They're all getting winter and winter. Like the next day, they started that party. All right, this is what it takes.
Fight it, Rook. Make him look like a kid. cake. It's like a blackberry wine cake, takes 4 days or whatever. They don't have it on the menu. Nobody does, do they?
Nor do they have pulled pork pie.
Right?
No, not right now. 2 pounds, you said 4 ribs? 4 ribs,
yeah. 2 sausage, 2 ribs. 2 ribs.
Alright, now girl, how about you girls from Michigan?
It was.
What,
4 hours in line.
4 hours in line. Have you had your first bite yet?
No.
Let's go into this bite. Let me see the Nirvana come over your face. Can you say yeah? Come on, give me a good one. Yeah. All right, this is our order.
Look at get that.
Wow. I'm concentrating on our order right here, brother. All right. A couple of smoked porters.
They put the hops in our smoked. What's that? Any pie for dessert?
Yes, lemon chest.
Alright, y'all need any sides?
Okay, darling.
Yes.
What do you say now?
It was worth the wait. It was definitely worth the wait. I'm full. I'm happy.
Anything like this in Michigan?
No, we're not that cool in Michigan.
Well, y'all come back down to Texas.
Thank you.
Eat all this barbecue. All right, boys. You've had a chance to partake of Franklin. You gonna give me some critique here?
It's pretty phenomenal. Can't quite put it into words. It's just pretty awesome. Definitely worth the wait.
Yeah, notice that I'm sitting because I'm in a comatose right now. I'm packed full of protein and awesomeness, and I just can't wait to divulge in it. These to-goes right here.
You got the meat sweats yet?
Oh yeah, I got this hat on, man. I'm glazed over, dude. I'll be a donut.
Darling, how about you?
I thought it was fantastic. I can usually take or leave barbecue, but that was the best barbecue I've ever had or will have. I don't have to eat it ever again.
What'd you say before we came down here about Texas barbecue?
I said that I don't like Texas barbecue. Sauce is nothing but ketchup and pepper. But
and where the hell are you from?
Now, Arkansas.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
I forgot.
All right, let me get y'all group in here, and like we do at Smoking Blues for our our 2 thumbs up deal. In this case, it'll be 3 or up or down. And
Yeah, it'd be 3 thumbs up, man.
we always end ours, if we like something, we always go, yeah.
All right.
Can I get a critique here? Final critique?
All right, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you guys. Kevin, Franklin's, I can't even explain the line, the wait for hours, the camaraderie in the line waiting for people, the brisket, it just melted in my mouth.
Yeah, we came here under all kinds of adversity, heat, rain, just steamy weather, and we did manage to rent chairs and meet some cool people, and it was just an amazing experience. This is the benchmark that we want to try to be like, and we've tasted the best now in Texas now. We're going to try to become that.
Well, again, anybody who likes barbecue and has any knowledge of what it takes to do barbecue, you need to get into Austin and you need to go to Franklin's. We're at, what, 900 11th Street in Austin. You got to get here, but get here early in the morning. They're not open on Tuesdays. Or is it Monday?
They're off on Monday.
They're off on Monday, but they're open the rest of the week. Start at 11 o'clock. But get here early, get in line, and it's well worth the wait.
Yeah, and we don't care how you get here. Just get here.
That's right. And obviously, we're going to have to give it our rating here, and I'm going to give it top-notch rating in the state for brisket.
I think it gets 2 yes.
All right, so let's do it.
Yeah.
All right,